Hey guys, Rashad Baker here with Merging Traffic Online. I'm glad you can make it. Now listen, today in this video we're going to talk about a few things. We're going to talk about affiliate marketing, exactly what it is, the difference between affiliate marketing and high ticket affiliate marketing. You're going to find out some awesome ways to make money. I'm also going to show you some free traffic sources to where you can start crushing it today without putting a dollar in. So the only thing you would do is basically go over and get your link, then go post your link. So stick around for that. I'm going to show you guys that. I'm going to show you some of my best tactics when it comes to affiliate marketing, so you can just have like basically just a really good gauge on things, right? So let's go over to the drawing board. So this is going to be affiliate marketing explained in the simplest way that I know how, right? So there's normally three main niches that tend to make the most money, and that's going to be health, wealth, and relationships. So when it comes to picking a product, make sure you pick a product in one of these three niches, because they tend to do very, very well on a consistent basis. So this is what affiliate marketing is. Let's say this right here is the internet. Internet products. These are the people, right? Now all you're doing, right, is before they get a product, you're just hopping right here in the way with your link. Because what happens is these companies will give you a link in order to get more eyes, ultimately more people towards their product. So it's a win-win for you and it's a win-win for them. And what happens is you make money. You make money doing so. Because these people, they have a problem that they need fixed, and the product fixes that problem. So ultimately, you're just a middleman. Now, if you don't do affiliate marketing, that's completely fine, because these people are gonna get their problem solved with or without you. So if you want a piece of this money, at least hop in, go on the internet, pick a product in one of these three niches, get your link, and then I'm gonna show you a way to get free traffic, and one of the best ways right now in 2020 to generate free traffic and leads so where you can make additional income without really struggling. Now, I wanna talk about high ticket. So now high ticket is expensive products on the back end, right? So what happens is, let's say to get all these people, it costs you $300 in ad costs. You ran an ad on Facebook, it costs you $300. Now the cool thing about high ticket is you can make anywhere from 500 and up. See? So you spent 300, but you made 5. So you just made $200. So if you put in 600, you're gonna make 1,000. But that's just an example. It can get a lot better than this. Some people have 800% ROI. So that's pretty big. A lot of people are getting really, really rich with high ticket. It's a really big thing in 2020. It really got big in 2017. But now this is the way to go, guys. This is what I do. This is what a lot of my colleagues do. And it's a lot of money to be made. And it's really that simple, affiliate marketing. But I'm gonna show you exactly where you can go to find some products so you can go ahead and get started today. So let's go over here to the laptop. All right, so guys, this is where you want to be right here. It's clickbank.com. It's a free website. It's free to start, free to start an account. They don't charge you whatsoever. So what you would do, you would go here to Marketplace, as you can see right there. Go to Marketplace, and then you have a bunch of categories that you can choose from, right? So we're in the e-business and e-marketing niche. So now right here are some of the options that you can promote. This one pays $27 commission. It's selling really high. It's $235. The gravity means how well it's selling. Recurring rebill means normally how much people pay each month is normally like a subscription membership. So that's how much you'll get each month right there. If somebody keeps
getting rebuilt. Now the initial conversion is right around that mark right there, 2366. Because normally it's about like 70 to 80% commissions. So that's why you see the difference there. And then as you go down, you'll see a lot. Look at this one, $193 a sale. Perpetual Income 365 Blockbuster Home Business Offer, this 2020. It's really simple, guys. Then you would just click promote. Click generate hop link. I'm not gonna put my account name in right now, but you'll get all this stuff right here also. So you put your account name in. You don't got to worry about the tracking ID because obviously it's optional. And then just click generate hop links, and then you'll get your link. But just be careful when you get that link. Don't go spamming it all over the internet. You want to go to bit.ly.com. I'll go there really quick. You want to go to bit.ly.com so you can shorten up that URL so you can post it places. It just looks more aesthetically pleasing, so to say. And YouTube really doesn't like those long drawn out links. And sometimes your videos will get banned or like not approved for the most part. So guys, this is one way that you can start promoting stuff. And stick around because I'm about to show you a great way to where you can start generating traffic with the free traffic strategy that is the biggest thing since Instagram release. Well, Instagram back in 2014. If you get on this now, it's gonna be great for you. Guys, now also you have JVZoo, and there's also, I gotta start looking here and not there. But anyways, there's also JVZoo and Warrior Plus that are also affiliate websites to where you can sign up. I'm not really sure if they charge. I don't believe so, but just go over there and check it out. And definitely let me know if they do. And also comment any questions in the bottom if you want to know anything about like a certain niche, if you have any questions. Also, I'm going to leave a link at the bottom. We have a 15-day business builder challenge that I've partnered up with David Sharp to bring you guys. It takes you step by step, and it's going to walk with you the entire step of the way. That way in 15 days you have an online business set up and ready to go. And it's high ticket also. So remember what we talked about, high ticket, right? I'm glad you was listening. But listen, I love you. I'm not sure what your goals are in life, where you're at in life, but just take advantage of the opportunities we have now, because there's never been a time like this in history. It's 2020, things have changed. It's not like it used to be back in, what, 2010. It's 10 years difference. You see how it changed. So take advantage of what's going on right now. And we're about to dive into that free traffic source because I almost forgot. All right, what is it, right? Free traffic source I was telling you about is TikTok. People are crushing it in our field, high ticket, regular affiliate marketing. Guys, TikTok, they're not paying for none of the traffic. If you put up a content filled video up there with your link in your bio, right? You can get 20,000 views in like a day. Like normally you have to pay for that. This is the only, like guys, listen, TikTok is like a great source of traffic right now. Do not miss up on this opportunity. Don't think I'm just saying this just to say it. TikTok, create you a TikTok, go get you a link, find a product you like, learn about it so you know what you're talking about, and go on TikTok and just produce great content, funny content, and just take advantage of it. You can't beat it. Now guys, I want y'all to like this video for me, please. Like it, share it. If y'all got a friend, a mom, a daughter, it's Christmas, somebody that wants to make extra money, I'm here. I'm just trying to just help change as many lives as I can, because if you do that, you're ultimately gonna be able to get whatever you want in life, just being a good person for the most part. So I gotta really focus on not looking at me and focus on you guys. Look, I love you guys. Stay tuned for my next video where I'm gonna show you how to find Facebook ads that are proven to work. And I'm gonna show you how you can model your competition's ads and not really steal, but just model their ads to where you know it's gonna win. It's one of my favorite places in the whole internet. So stick around for my next one where I'm gonna show you how to do Facebook ads and get them approved and dominate. You're gonna be in like the top 2%. So stick around for that video. That's gonna be my next one. Love y'all, bye.